Well, you know, getting a cancer diagnosis is absolutely devastating to you and your family, but there is a cancer treatment facility in the Valley that says it's giving cancer patients across the country new hope. This is John Kressel, radiation oncologist with Phoenix Cyberknife, and he's here with information on how they actually can help you. And here is the frustrating part, Dr. Kressel, is that a lot of people still don't know about Cyberknife.
Mm-hmm.
Why is that happening?
Well, again, it's one of those things where a new treatment has kind of taken time to help, taken time for people to understand, whether it's physicians or patients.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Cyberknife is a type of radiation therapy called radiosurgery, which has been around for 40, 50 years, but now it's been something that's developed and refined, so it's part of treatment for every part of the body.
Wow. Okay, so the facility here is here in Phoenix, and it's taking over. You're having more and more physicians refer their patients to you, but you also have a lot of patients doing their own research and coming to you on their own.
Sure. It's like anything new. You know, it's just a matter of knowing about it. Not all patients know about it or have that opportunity to consider it as their treatment option. And sometimes even physicians aren't really fully aware of what the capabilities are for radiosurgery. So that message of helping people, hey, this is something you should maybe look into, it might be the right thing for you, is still something we work on.
Absolutely, and that's why you're here, is
Yep.
just to let everybody at home know it's an option. Let's talk about the treatment itself. Are there side effects to the type of treatment Cyberknife provides?
Sure. There's always side effects with any type of treatment or potential side effects, and there's no exception for radiation or radiation therapy. But with this new technique, it's higher doses given much more precisely, and the actual benefit of actually excluding or preventing radiation dose going to surrounding normal healthy tissues, in many instances significantly reduce the side effects.
Yeah, I've actually been to your facility before, and it's because of how you can pinpoint the area that has the cancer. Is how I know that's important, but why isn't everybody doing that?
Well, it's really the only treatment device that actually has the radiation beam move with the patient if the patient moves or if the target moves. And
for example, if it's on a lung,
Yep.
you have to keep breathing.
Absolutely, and it's the only treatment device where the radiation actually moves with the patient instead of just treating a larger area.
That's amazing. A lot of people sitting at home might be thinking, okay, this is one of those treatments that's just kind of, you know, off the radar. So what about insurance? Will it still be covered by insurance?
Yep, it's not off the radar. It's part of many national clinical guidelines and treatment recommendations from National Cancer Institute and so on. It's covered by CMS, which is Medicare, and it's covered by insurance companies.
Do you have to have a different type of training in order to be an oncologist with Cyberknife?
So there is some specialty training that's required for all radiation oncologists, and then in addition to that, for some areas, it is important to have the appropriate training and expertise.
Okay.
And it's not just the physicians. We have an entire team, including physicists and therapists, to give this type of treatment requires a team effort.
Oh man, okay, it's amazing technology, and actually Dr. Kressel's going to stick around because he brought along with him one of his patients with an amazing success story. You're going to want to hear that. But if you have any questions for Phoenix Cyberknife and Radiation Oncology Center, you can email them at info@pcroc.com, and they will get back to you with an answer to your question. And here's where they're located, at 4611 East Shea Boulevard in Phoenix. 602-497-0605 is the phone number. To learn more, look them up online at phoenixcyberknifecenter.com.